everyone, this is Maria and today I have an unboxing. This is going to be a lot of fun. These are the Cupcake Surprise Princess dolls. And so I found these at the 99-cent only store for $2.99 each, which I think is a really great deal because I did see them recently at another store for $7.99 each. And so I did have to go to like 3 different 99-cent only stores to find them all. And yesterday I found the 12th one and I was so excited. $2.99, amazing new value. It says they smell delicious. And you can see here, Series 2, collect them all, transforms. A styling brush is included, ages 3 and older. Here are the 6 different scents: vanilla, chocolate, caramel, strawberry, grape, and lemon. And then on the back here, you can see all the different little princess dolls. There's 12 in all. And you can see the cupcake, and it turns right into a princess. We can open this right from the bottom, you guys. That's a lot easier. And so let's go ahead and slide this out. There goes the brush. Look how cute, little styling brush. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I've never opened one of these. And I was so tempted because I do have a couple of extras, but I said, no, I have to be patient. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Okay, so the cupcake part, this right here, feels like it's really rubbery. You can see the top, the icing, so cute. And then this is kind of a clear acrylic. It's pink, it's got little polka dots, so those are sprinkles, cupcake sprinkles. And let's go ahead. I think this is how you do it. Oh wait, that's connected to her head. So let's go ahead. Oh, this comes off. This comes off. There's a little, like a little stretchy band underneath. I'm so excited, you guys. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's our little dress. Let's go ahead and pull the dress down. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I love this. And I'm gonna take the little stretchy band and we're going to put that right under her chin. Oh my gosh, look how cute. This is so adorable, you guys. I love this. Oh my gosh, way too cute. And so let's go ahead and open this one. This one has a blue cupcake liner. There's the little brush. So pretty. I love the color. And so let's go ahead and, whoops, that snapped right off. And I'm going to turn the cupcake, the cup part, upside down or inside out. Oh my gosh, look at the fabric on this dress. That is so cute. I love the way her little elbows are bent. Super cute. Some little tulle here. Look at her little sleeves. And so let's go ahead and put her hat on. I'm going to take the cupcake top, put it right over her head. I'm getting to be a pro at this, you guys. Look at this. I'm excited about this one. This one has a gingerbread on top. And when I saw that, I was so excited. Oh my gosh, these are cupcake surprises, aren't they? So let's go ahead and move this out of the way. We've got her little styling brush. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, too cute. I think this is one of my favorites because I love gingerbread people. And so let's go ahead and I'm going to, oh, this one, she's a brunette. And her little hair, her little ponytail flipped up. So we're going to turn this inside out. Look how cute that is. Then we're going to pull her little dress. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. It looks like she has little chocolates all over the front of her dress. So cute. I love her brown hair and her brown eyes. And so let's go ahead and take this fancy dancy gingerbread person hat. And let's go ahead and put that right over her head. These are so much fun. And again, the price is really good, $2.99. Oh, look, you guys. This one has a pink styling brush. And so let's go ahead and remove this. I love that. So pretty. And so let's go ahead and take that off. Another brunette doll. Going to turn this inside out. You can see it's lavender. So pretty. Lavender and purple is one of my favorite colors, along with pink. And this pink looks really pretty with this blue. Almost reminds me of Cinderella. And so let's go ahead and put this beautiful hat on her. Oh my gosh, there she is. She looks like she's ready to walk through a garden or maybe even go to a ball. I really love that too. So let's go ahead and take this green one right here. And let's go ahead and open this. I love this green. It's so pretty and springy. And look at this, it's clear acrylic and it's got little lavender and green candy sprinkles. Really cute. Okay, I'm going to be very careful here. And we have another brunette doll. I'm gonna turn this upside down. There we go. Oh wow, look at the fabric. I love the fabric, so pretty. So let's go ahead and put her hat on. There she goes. Look how pretty she is. Okay, let's set her over here with her friends. So the icing on the top of this cupcake looks super yummy. Look at these little purple stars. And I love this pink. So let's go ahead and remove her hat. That was simple. And look at her little dress. It's so fancy. It's got little pink hearts and glitter all over it. I love this. And I love her hair color. It looks like it's a little bit red. Looks so pretty. And so let's go ahead and place her hat and right on top of her head. And there she is, so cute. Yum, you guys. It makes me almost want to take a bite right out of that because it looks so yummy. So we have the hat with all of the sprinkles. And this is a blonde doll. And look at this dress. It almost looks like that last one, but it looks a little bit different. This little doll looks like she's ready for Valentine's Day. I really love this. So let's go ahead and place her hat. And look how pretty she is. She is adorable, you guys. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty this is. It's nice and bright and sunny. And so let's go ahead and open this up. We have another blonde little doll. Oh my gosh. Look at this. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love this fabric. So pretty. And so let's go ahead and place on her little cupcake hat. And there she is. She is beautiful. I really love her, you guys. Look at those big eyes and that big smile. So this purple cupcake comes with a purple styling brush. And so let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, we have a brunette princess. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. I love her already. And so let's go ahead and pull her little dress down, her little princess dress. Oh, look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. I love her. Here we go. She is adorable. Look at the swirls on the top of this cupcake. It's so pretty. I love this pale yellow. And so let's go ahead and open this one. And let's go ahead and pull her little cupcake dress down. So pretty. Another pink dress. I love pink. Oh my gosh, this one has roses. Look at these beautiful roses and all of this glitter. Isn't she beautiful? She looks like she's ready to take a walk through the park. This is a chocolate one. Yum. I love chocolate. Look at the swirls on top. Looks really yummy. And so let's carefully remove the top. And looks like we have another brunette. It's sort of a brunette. It has sort of a little reddish look to it. I really love it. Oh my gosh, look at these colors. It sort of reminds me of mermaid colors. Isn't this pretty? Look at the shimmering fabric. So let's go ahead and put on her hat. And there she is. Look at her beautiful green eyes. I think she is so lovely. And look at this cherry red. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious, doesn't it? And so this is the very last one, and it's a brunette. And so let's go ahead and pull the little cupcake part down. This is so much fun. And then let's pull the little dress over the cupcake. Oh, look how pretty. She is so pretty. And look at her dress with all of the stars. She looks like she's ready to walk a runway as a model. She's so beautiful. So I wanted to give you a better look at these styling brushes because they are so cute. And so they come in purple and pink. And you can see they come in different shapes, like this one here, and this one, and this little heart. So let's go ahead and end this video with a parade of these Cupcake Surprise Princess dolls. And so we'll go ahead and start with this one. Look how beautiful she looks. This one here. She's so pretty. And this one. And this one here. And this one. And this cute little one with the polka dots. And this one. And this purple and pink one. And this pretty blue and pink one. And this really sweet pink one. And this one right here with the cherry blossoms. And here is the last one with her pretty yellow dress. So here they are, all 12 of the Cupcake Surprise Princess dolls from Series 2. In the comments below, let me know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.